Hello and welcome to the 83rd tutorial in the Bootstrap free series. In this part we're going to be looking at modal sizing. We'll be using the source code from the 82nd tutorial. If you don't have it, don't worry, there'll be a link in the description. We have a modal setup. We can easily change the size by simply just adding a class. That's all you need to do. These are the things that make Bootstrap great. Obviously along with the rows and the columns and all those other features, but it's these small things that you just don't have to worry about. You can just get on with making your website. So what we're going to do, first of all, is actually copy and paste our modal because there are two different sizes. There's a large and a small size, and we're going to have two modals and two buttons instead of going back into the code, changing the size. We can just switch between buttons. So let's just duplicate this. We're going to change the ID because that's how we trigger it. So I'm just going to put my modal 2, and for the button which is right here, I'm going to say activate large modal, activate small modal, and for this I'm just going to put hash my modal 2, and at the moment the modals are literally still the same size because we haven't actually added our class. And to do that, all you do, so we're going to go to the first one, and where it says modal dash dialog, you put modal dash the size, so LG is for large, and then for this one you do modal-sm, which is small. And now if we run this in our web browser, we will have two buttons which we can click, which will activate a large or a small modal. So let's click activate large modal. This is a large modal. There is some gap at the sides, but generally it fills most of the page up. If we click activate small modal, you can see that it's significantly smaller. So if you just want to put a bit of text on here, this is great. Or maybe you just want to put an email address, some sort of contact form, something simple. You don't want a big modal, and the reason you don't want a big modal is because it looks empty and it looks like there should be something there, even though it's perfectly logical to have less information in a modal. It's just the way the user perceives it, even if they don't know, is as if it's not complete. Whereas you'll want to use a large one if you have a lot of content, because if you have a small modal and you're just cramming it all there, it won't look very neat, it won't look tidy, therefore the user just won't like the look of it. So you'll want to spread it out, make it look nice using a large modal. So that's the difference between sizing for modals. The next tutorial will cover modals with no animation. If you have any questions, feel free to message us at support@sonarsystems.co.uk, or the required source code will be in the description as well. To see hundreds of videos like this one completely free, visit sonarlearning.co.uk. Get there today, sign up for free, which allows you to take private notes against any single video. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.